Hey everyone, quick warning before we start. Roblox devs have been cracking down on websites that give out free shaders, so yeah, and the site shown in this video could get taken down eventually, but as of 2026 it's still up and running with no problem, so you can safely use it for now. I also know a lot of people are worried that using shaders might get their Roblox account banned. Relax, I've personally tested this method and it's totally safe. No bans, no warnings, nothing to worry about. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First open up the Roblox homepage, then pick Teehee game where you want to use shaders. For me, it's MM2. Right-click the play button and select inspect. After that, open the network tab and refresh the page. Scroll up right. Click the game name, then click copy by oral copy, all is PowerShell. Next, head over to the website linked in the description and scroll down. Paste everything into the box, hit start process, and you're basically done. Your shaders will start loading in a few seconds. Just be a little patient. Thanks everyone who watched. Hope this guide helped you get shaders working in 2026. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.